Cut faster, install faster with the Bullet Tools Marksman 13-inch flooring cutter. Cut flooring dust-free right where you work. Make ultra-quick cuts on a variety of products including laminate, vinyl, and engineered hardwood. The versatile Marksman easily handles angle cuts and can take as little as 1/16 inch off your board. Ultra light so you can work where you need. Ultra quiet so you can work when you want. The Marksman's industry-leading blade outlasts 10 or more saw blades. Faster cuts can reduce installation time up to 30%. The solid Marksman 13-inch cutter is 100% made in the USA. And with Bullet Tools, you get the best manufacturer warranty on the market. Stay on the cutting edge with the Marksman by Bullet Tools. American made for you.